Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. What is going on today? Well, I was sitting on the couch with my brother-in-law, and he's like, let's play a video game. And I said, you know, let me check out this game. And then it started bringing up some memories. All of this started 1 year ago, almost to the day actually. My wife and I had some land. We bought 1,000 square meters a couple years ago, and we were talking about building a house, and I just didn't really know where to start. First, I had to put the dream, the image that was in my head, I had to put it to paper before I even found a contractor or architect. I needed to come up with the design. So I designed this whole house, designed the walls, designed everything. The way I did it was with this game. Check out this game here. This was on Xbox Series X, and it was called Architect for Life. And what I did was just for like a week straight, I sat in front of the TV and I just designed this house. Everything, every detail, as much as I could with the game. I was kind of limited with what I could actually do in the game, like adding stairs or steps. I wasn't able to do all that, but I had all the visions in my head. So I designed this whole house with the game to the proper dimensions, the windows, the doors, even where the ACs were. And we didn't have any furniture or nothing going into this. And I had to plan ahead, you know. I had 65,000 in the bank, and I needed to turn that 65,000 into our dream home. And that's what I did here with this game. Basically, I started from there. People ask me all the time, you know, where'd you get the idea for your house? Well, I'll be honest with you, I just pulled it out of thin air. I just started designing, and like, what do we actually need? When you're gonna be designing a house, you know, everything costs money. So the bigger the house, the more money it's gonna cost. And I figured I wanted a 3-bedroom. I definitely wanted a walk-in closet. I wanted 2 bathrooms, and everything that, you know, we wanted and felt that we need, I drew it up, and yeah, we got a beautiful house. We've been living in it for almost 5 months, probably about 5 months. And in that time, you know, we're planting grass here. We did all the landscaping ourselves, planted all the grass ourselves. My wife, she has a green thumb when it comes to plants. She's been doing all the plants herself. All this down here. Yeah, so everything's been, you know, with ourselves. We got a nice carport here. I'll show you. Got a carport. This grass is coming along nice. This is where, if you guys watched a video the other day, I made that tea out of the chicken manure and water, and I've been spraying it on the lawn, so it's really starting to come together. These flowers really loved it. Yeah, nice carport. My wife has a nice area for all of her plants. But I thought it was funny when I started watching or started playing that game today. I was like, let me compare this game, my ideas, you know, almost a year ago. Let's compare my ideas and see how it actually turned out. And I was very surprised. I mean, it's pretty much identical, almost identical. Like I said, except for like steps, because certain things you can't do in that game, like add this step. I couldn't add steps on the front porch and stuff, but Everything's identical, even the outdoor kitchen, table there with plants, the kitchen, the living room, office, both bedrooms, bathrooms, everything came out pretty much identical. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty funny that you could turn a video game into your dream. And I'll tell you, it really comes down to finding the right contractor. And I ended up going with JLC Builders. I found him on Facebook, and we agreed on prices and everything, and he put my dream to reality. He built all this, him and his crew. Very happy with the work. Love the house. We really haven't had any issues. So a lot of people ask me, why did you choose a contractor versus, why didn't you just do it yourself? And I've seen the problems that comes with, it's kind of windy. I've seen the problems that come with just hiring a foreman and then having the foreman hire laborers and then trying to build your house by yourself like that. So basically you would be the contractor. You can do that, but I just found it's a lot easier to get a contractor and have a set price. And so let's go over a few things.